Number 4 on the QR code review sheet for expressions. And so so the question is, using the quadratic formula, find the roots of the polynomial. This is our polynomial, 4x minus 7x plus 3, and this is the quadratic formula. We need to find a, b, and c. And so I'm going to change colors right now. A will be always our first term, first coefficient. So a is 4, b is going to be our second, b is minus 7, and c is 3. Right? And so we start plugging into this. So we have minus 7 plus or minus square root minus 7 squared minus 4. A is 4, c is 3, and we're going to divide this all over by 2a. And 2a is 2 times 4. Right? It should be x equals, we'll put x equals here. Same thing, we'll move it back later. All right, we'll move it back over here. So x equals, we'll clean this up. This will be 7 plus or minus. This is going to be a lot of math, but let's go. This will be 49. This will be minus 16. This will be 3. So 16 times 3 is 48. Divided by, this is 8. So we're just going to continue writing off this side. This will be equal to 7 plus or minus square root 1. You will most likely not get a 1 on like a test, but if there's a different number, you'll put it under the root. But we're lucky we have root 1, and we all know what root 1 is. It's just 1. Divided by 8. And now we have two answers. So x can be positive or negative, right? Depending on, not positive or negative, but just because this is plus or minus. So we write this, x is equal to 7 plus 1 over 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 over 8, x equals 1. So that's our answer for one of them. But then what happens to this minus? So we have x equals 7 minus 1 over 8, which equals to 6 over 8, which if you simplify should be 3 over 4. And so x, we'll just write it here, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to 3 over 4. And that's how you use the quadratic formula to find the roots of a polynomial.